So we're in the mechanical room, in the boiler room, which is in the only basement really in this building. We're in the historic basement of the 1897 building. It used to have a dirt floor. So part of our project was to actually produce a concrete floor. And behind me are pipes going up to the solar panels up on the roof. And we're storing heat in this 850-gallon storage tank that's sitting where the steps used to be coming down. We actually discovered that our neighbor didn't have a meter on his municipal water supply, which included about a week of the city digging a hole and draining a multi-block area and so on. Just some drama. There's always unexpected surprises on a project. Okay, and then what we have here is some of the control system for the solar panels. And if I were to check today, it's what is it? Today is November 20th. If I look up here, the panels are running at 150 degrees right now, and the bottom of the tank is 138 degrees Fahrenheit. The top of the storage tank is 126 degrees Fahrenheit, and no, that's the bottom of the domestic hot water tank, which is behind the camera, 126 degrees, 137 degrees at the top of the storage tank, and 138. So it's not stratified. We're pulling a lot of heat into this storage tank right now. So that's just being banked for a colder day. So today we are definitely not, we're the opposite of paying for any heat in November. We're collecting heat. So then we go over here. Basically we installed a new sub panel as part of the installation, so completely new electrical in the old part of the building. And then if you look here, you'll see the kind of core of the heating control of the building, the entire building. So we have different zones. We've got a sky room zone, which we're not using, as I mentioned or will mention. Upstairs west, that's upstairs bath, upstairs east. So these are the two offices. The upstairs bath is also the landing upstairs. Then the downstairs east room, that's this packing room. And then downstairs southeast, downstairs west. So northeast is an office. West would be the lotus room. And then we actually have a separate zone embedded in a 4-inch concrete on the very south end of the two offices, which is its own separate zone, which we actually have rigged up with irrigation lines. By just modifying the line, we can actually use this line and run irrigation water through as a cooling function in the summer. It turns out that the solar eyebrow that we have over the shed roof is adequate, performs really well. We don't actually need that option, but it was kind of a cool idea. Then we have our domestic hot water tank and the actual boiler. So this little boiler here is the supplemental heat supply for the entire building.